Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft Survival Let's Play Part 1. Today we're just going to be gathering some wood. And... Psych! Nope, this isn't survival. Do you guys really think I'd want to make a survival Let's Play? Like, that would be so dumb. Like, why would I ever make a normal survival Let's Play? Like, that would be so stupid. Like, imagine actually just recording yourself doing Minecraft Survival. Pfft, so dumb. Alright, bad jokes out of the way. If you haven't heard of this mod, you're probably living under the rock. This is the physics mod. And basically what it does is, well, adds physics, as it says in the name. Some of which are cooler than others. Let's start simple, though. You're going to start simple, you know. Don't want to get into the juicy stuff right in the video. So the number one feature with this mod is if you mine blocks, they are going to turn into actual objects that you can kick around. And this is extremely entertaining as it is. But oh boy, this is only the beginning. This is nothing compared to what you're going to see later. You know how vines are a thing, and you can climb them? Well, now you can do a lot more than just climb them. Yeah, I think this speaks for itself. And if you set the weather to be a thunderstorm, the vines will sway a lot more. If you have the settings set correctly, just ignore that, we'll get to that later. But that is cool. And by the way, for those of you who want this mod is free now. It used to have to pay for all the deluxe features, but it's free now, which is amazing. Because I have been extremely lazy and didn't want to pay for it. But now you don't have to anymore. Another cool feature is campfires. You know how they give out smoke? You know, campfires are going to do that. They give out a decent smoke, especially for a game like Minecraft. But if you have the physics mod installed, well, yeah, looks like that. It is a little bit harder to see because I have shaders on, but I will explain why I have shaders on later. There is actually a very specific reason on why I have shaders on. Alright, I don't think I can wait anymore to showcase this feature. If you've played the physics mod before, you probably know what I'm about to talk about. That's right. There's full-on ocean physics. You can see, if I jump in the water, there's actual splashing effects. But that's not all. Oh, that is far from all. If I put a boat on here, there's not really any motion with the water, so it's not going to move. But what's cool about the boat is if you move, it creates ripple effects. Yeah, that's normal. But if I try and go into the ocean, you can see that there's waves. And with these waves, the boat actually moves. And here's where this gets interesting. I'm sorry about that. There is full-on setting customization for all of these, including the ocean. Which means you can, yeah, I don't think words are necessary for a site like this. But yeah, I don't think I need to commentate on this. I think this pretty much speaks for itself. And with a thunderstorm, it's even worse. You better hope that you have a decent graphics card in order for this to work. See, I have an okay graphics card, and it's lagging. A little bit. Honestly, I could play with this part all day. This is so fun. So relaxing. This is definitely not something that's going to be added to Minecraft. I can guarantee that 100%. This is not going to get added. But that's not even all. I know I've covered a lot, but there's even more to it. If you drop items into it, it'll make sounds. Not only will it make sounds, but it'll create special effects. This feature is one to mess with for hours on end. And not only that, they float around in there. If this isn't the coolest mod out there, I have no idea what is. So if you thought killing mobs in normal Minecraft was violent, wait until you play this. Because if you kill a mob, you can just kick around its corpse. And yes, those settings are customizable too. My favorite thing to do with them is to make the lifetime to be like really long. Oh, that happens apparently too. That's pretty cool. Another thing you can do with the mob's corpse is kick it into the river. If you kick the corpse into the river / ocean, it will make a splash. Never thought that's a sentence I'd say. You doing alright, buddy? Are you fine? Yes? Okay, I'm glad. So if you thought the wave water was cool, when you see this, you're gonna think the wave water is nothing. If I grab a sponge or an enchantment table, I'll use the sponge first. If I break the sponge, yeah, that's not normal water. The more you do it, the more lag you get. I'm already lagging like crazy. But with the enchantment table, it's a lot more. It's like those realistic Minecraft videos from 2020 that were made with Blender, but this time it's actually in the game. I'm not using Blender. This is actually in the game. Because I have no idea how to use Blender. I'm sure most of us don't. Kind of a confusing thing to do. And there's one more feature, but I'm gonna have to locate a snowy plains in order to showcase it. So I'm sure right off the bat, most of you noticed that this snow does not look normal. That is because you're right. It is not normal snow. In fact, it is far from it. Snow is fully interactive. You set the weather to be snowy / rainy, it gets even cooler. Heck, you can make an entire blizzard. If you set the wind to affect when the weather is happening, you can make a full-on blizzard. Yep, this is definitely not normal Minecraft. This is definitely not how normal Minecraft is, and I'm loving everything about this. Shame on you if you don't love this mod. Alright, and that is pretty much all the features of this mod. I think there might be a few more, but if you want to see those, you can check out the official website where I got this. I will link it in the description. The rest of this video is me just experimenting with what you can do with this mod. Wait, so, oh, we have like twisty vines. Let's see what we can do with these. Oh, man. Wait, does it do what I think it does? Does it go through the water? Please tell me you go through the water. Get in the water. Oh, it does. Oh my goodness, this mod is amazing. Oh, what else can you do? Let's see. Hey, is that a warden corpse in your water, or are you just happy to see me? I honestly feel bad for the guy. Like, look at what he's having to go through. You know what? Honestly, he looks like he's having a good time. Oh yeah, now this is my kind of treat. Oh my. What if I get off? Oh. Yeah, look at that frame rate. It's a boat rave. Oh my goodness. It's completely random too. Oh man, what did I do? What the? So there's water mountains. That's honestly cool. This is honestly even cooler than the extreme waves, I'm not gonna lie. Because of how far I can fly. I don't know, this is cooler. I like this. Wonder if it looks better with a raft. That is cooler. It's like an actual surfboard now. Well, kind of. Looks more like it. Yeah, this is cooler. Why didn't I do this? Oh. Man, this is fun. I could play with this all day, and I definitely will, even though I have school tomorrow. Thank God it's only a 5-hour day. So now I think is a good time to talk about why I'm using shaders. So basically, this is what it looks like with the shaders. It's extremely cool. But if I turn off the shaders, how on earth do I turn off shaders? I have not used Iris before. I I've never used shaders in it. There we go. If I turn off shaders, it looks a little weird. Here, I'll put the wave height a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, some of you may like that. I'm just not a fan of it, so that's why I use shaders. Plus, it just looks 10 times cooler, like with the lighting and stuff and the rain. But yeah, I'd say that about wraps up my video for today. Hope you guys download this mod and have fun for yourself, because it is a blast and it'll keep you playing for hours on end. See you whenever I decide to upload again, which is unknown.